Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. Pow! Hello there. So I am going to talk about one area that you really need to focus on when you're looking at getting Gov cleaning contracts. And one area is that, just like with Texas, right now there is a crisis going on in Texas, and FEMA is asking for plumbers and all kinds of services because of what's going on right now in Texas. So that's why I always talk about, even though you may not realize what agency utilizes your services locally, but there is always going to be an opportunity if you're looking for it. So you've got to keep your eyes open. Now, I always want to say government is not hard, but it is definitely a process. It's not hard, but you do have to know what comes next, what comes first, what comes in the middle. And that is where a lot of the confusion comes in. It's not something that happens just like that, where all of a sudden you know where everything fits and how you should go about getting a contract tomorrow. A lot of individuals will do the basics and they think that is all there is to it. They have no idea that there is a lot more involved, and that's what I call the middle section, which is the marketing to the government buyers. That's really important. And being available with self-certification, set-asides, everything you can do to make sure you are very attractive to the government buyers. And one of the ways you can do that is the profile. It's called a DSBS profile. And your DSBS profile should be updated every 6 months and is one of the most important profiles you can have. And it is a part of your SAMs, and it is really important when it comes to those government buyers. That's one of the first places they go, is to look at not just having a DSBS profile, but what keywords. That's one of the most important parts. The keywords that you utilize within your DSBS profile, as well as the keywords that you use in your capability narrative, which is also part of it. So if you've ever wanted to do something when it comes to government cleaning contracts, the key is to right now start thinking about that DSBS profile. And what did you say? You do not know what a DSBS profile is. You've not heard of it. You don't have one, but you're registered in SAMS. Then guess what? You absolutely need to register for the free masterclass. It's how to win big with Gov cleaning contracts. And it goes into all of that and more. What you need to do right now to actually be able to compete and win contracts when it comes to government cleaning contracts. One of the things, like I said, is so important is your basic requirements. The middle section is the marketing. And the third leg, and I like to break things down into pillars, and that third leg is actually the solicitations and the RFP. So if you have never, ever, ever thought about the basics, then the marketing, and then the actual solicitation, what that looks like, what the RFP looks like, then guess what? Absolutely click the link in the registration, register in the description, and register for this free masterclass. It goes into all of these and more on what you need to do right now. Now, if you would love for us to do it for you, we do have, all-inclusive programs where we would do it for you. We'll do your set aside, your certs, your certifications, which are part of your set aside. We actually do your capability statement, which is once again what you would need. So if you're interested in having all that done for you, or a one-on-one consultant instead of going through the free masterclass, then make sure you give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to tell you about our services and see exactly where you are in the process of your government journey. So reach out to us and give us a call at 407-595-1598. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.